Trump's tariff policy is back in place due to a late afternoon federal appeals court in his favor. Overnight, a federal court had slammed the brakes on most of the tariffs, but at least for now, the tariffs can continue. At the same time, the president defending his policy against a new Wall Street term, taco, or Trump always chickens out. NBC's Melanie Zanona has the story.
Capping off a tumultuous day involving President Trump's tariffs. An appeals court temporarily reinstated the tariffs after a federal court dealt a major blow to his economic strategy. The latest news comes in the wake of the U.S. Court of International Trade ruling that the president does not have the authority to impose tariffs. Lawmakers usually do that. The president bypassed Congress by declaring a national economic emergency. The administration immediately appealed the ruling.
We're very confident in our success there.
And attacked the judges. Though one judge was appointed by President Trump in his first administration, the others by Republican President Ronald Reagan and President Obama. This ruling did not affect specific industry tariffs, such as the 25% tax on steel and aluminum. Shortly before the ruling, the president on the defense over his tariff strategy, asked about a new Wall Street term, taco, short for Trump always chickens out.
Oh, isn't that nice? Chicken out. I've never heard that. You mean because I reduced China from 145%? I mean, you ask a nasty question like that. It's called negotiation.
Small businesses originally brought the claim before the International Trade Court. Now that the tariffs are able to move forward, they could still face high charges.
Today, President Trump met with Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. The Fed has said the two men talked about economic growth and inflation, but that Powell did not speculate on future interest rate decisions. But the Fed did emphasize that all decisions will be made with non-political analysis. Melanie Zanona, NBC News, Washington.